You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey guys, Jonathan Rose. Today we have a pre-recorded Masters in Trading Live. I wanted to get it out to you because I got a trade that I want to share. So I'm going to go right over to the screen today. This is pre-recorded. Normally we're live every day, 11 a.m., but I'm having internet issues, so I had to pre-record. Let's go to the screen because I'm going to share a trade with you today, free for everybody. Enjoy. Hopefully it's a wing dinger. Okay, guys, here you go. 5 reasons to buy. The ticker is going to come. But before I share that ticker with you, I want to welcome back Bradley Evans. Bradley's been with me, I think, since 2018. Guys, I'm unable to post so much. However, I finished most of all my military retirement process and woohoo! So if you're new to MIT and have questions, this community is great. I can also help with questions from newer members, especially understanding those newer concepts. Bradley, welcome back. So glad to have you. 5 reasons to buy. Here's Kate. Kate took the MIT challenge. It feels like a million years ago. Drink it from the fire hose. Jonathan experiencing trading together with others. A great experience. If you haven't yet gotten the challenge, investorplace.com/challenge 2025. Spots still open. J-Rog took the challenge in 2024. The education is great, and I continue to learn every day, not only from Jonathan, but the members of the community as well. Better yet, my options trading account is up roughly 50% since I joined. All very exciting, but I know you guys are hanging around because you want to get that trade. Okay, here we go. 5 reasons to buy. KRMN. Explosive revenues and earnings growth. KRMN is growing at triple-digit rates with 233% year-on-year earnings growth. They've also raised their guidance for the year. That's one reason. Critical partner in the U.S. defense and space programs. It supplies key components for 100 plus active missiles and space projects. Work closely with major defense like Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, United Launch. Reason 3, strong policy and geopolitical tailwinds. Growing U.S. defense budgets, NATO spending increases, and reshoring policies create a stable, multi-year pipeline of government contracts for KRMN. 4, we've been talking about those small caps. Small caps are primed to rally, especially with rate drops coming. Small cap upside with room to scale. With the market cap still under $5 billion, KRMN has significant upside potential. And number 5, strategic positioning with high entry barriers. KRMN has got those special government contracts. Remember, like KTOS, KTOS. I think KRMN, the blue line, is the next KTOS. We've been talking about KTOS for the last couple of years on the Master of the Trading YouTube channel. A favorite name. Well, I want you to check out KRMN. I think it was a SPAC. It just started trading options, so the options aren't great. What we're going to do in the free portfolio is we're going to get our bucks long KRMN, and I'm guessing in the next 6 months, we're going to see the options liquidity really pick up in this small cap name as it goes mainstream. So that's your trade, guys. We're getting long KRMN. Again, Jonathan Rose. I do Masters in Trading live every day, 11 a.m., except when I'm having internet problems like today. We'll be back Friday. Can't wait to see you. Get long KRMN and let's watch her skyrocket. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.